All right, we're gonna do a little badging, a little debadging, and a little America. So let's do it. I'm gonna attempt to take this F150 symbol off and this stupid flex fuel badge off here. So I'm gonna try using what's it called? Where'd I put it? Back here. I'm gonna try using Gooby Gone. I think this is safe for vehicles. Before I actually use it, I should probably use the directions, but I think this is safe on vehicles. So I'm gonna try using this and then using the fishing line method. So see how it goes. So that was way easier than I expected. I just used some Gooby Gone and then I used a fishing line and just kind of went back and forth, kind of quick. And it came off super easy, but there's still a lot of residue. So I'm gonna hit it with some more Gooby Gone, let it sit, and then start trying to mess with my American flag vinyls, but super easy. So I'm not gonna lie, this was an absolute beast to get off. The F-150 was super easy, but this flex fuel symbol was awful. Initially it came off easy, but the adhesive tape was it was a beast. But came off, so we're good. Hey, why I said badging and debadging is because I plan on putting these American flag military law enforcement style shoulder patch vinyls on, well, just underneath the side mirrors. But I wanted to give this company a shout out, Desert Fanatics. It's owned and operated by an ex-military guy, veteran. He does a lot of like fundraising for law enforcement and first responders. So I like to give those guys my business. I'd rather buy some stuff from them than from, you know, Amazon or whatever that is just 100%, you know, just a huge company. I'd rather give the guy that served our country and defended our freedom some money. So go check them out. I'll give a little link in the description, but Desert Fanatics. And I want to give a shout out to I think his name is Abyss Eco 3.5, but I'll throw that up there too. This is I got this idea from him. He has an Abyss Gray F150 and it looks sick, and he's got these flags all over it and it looks really cool. So give him a look on Instagram. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so a couple little tips, because I admittedly messed up one of these flags. It didn't come out terrible, but it just wasn't lined up the way I want it, and I'm kind of a stickler for that. So when you get these, they don't come perfectly cut out. So if you're gonna, what I did with the tape method is I made a right angle, and then I lined it up. The problem was this wasn't cut out perfectly straight. So you have to make perfect cuts, at least at the right angle, to make it fit right. So definitely do that. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. Just get something straight, you know, line it up, give it a cut, and then once that's straight, make sure that the vinyl is actually pressed down, because you might get these and they might have some air bubbles in them from shipping and humidity. So just flip them over, give them a good press on each side so the bubbles are gone. So when you actually do put the adhesive on the car, you don't have to worry about trying to get out any bubbles. So the flags came out awesome. They look incredible. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm looking at here. So you can't even really see it, and then you kind of just get a different angle, and all of a sudden it kind of comes in. And yeah, they came out awesome. They're super subtle, and yeah, I just love how you can't see it from some angles, and then all of a sudden it comes into view. And if you put light on it, it becomes super reflective. But I love them. They look badass. All right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to Autoheads on YouTube, and my screw up today is going to be somebody else's gain. So I have an extra American flag vinyl from Desert Fanatics. The first person that subscribes to Autoheads and puts Murica in the comments box gets the vinyl shipped to them for free. So enjoy.